I'm going to show you two dishes here. Okay, one is aloo bharta and second one is machli amritsari, and the third, which is we are going to do it in the same batter, that is a paneer amritsari. What I will be doing is I'll make a batter which is common for both. First we will dip the paneer in that and deep fry, and then we'll remove it, and then in the same batter we can go along and ahead with the frying of fish. So for the aloo bharta, they're very much liked by everybody. Boiled and mashed potatoes, then chopped onions, this is the fat, chopped chilies, lime juice and coriander leaves and jeera. Okay, so we will be starting with this aloo bharta after I show the batter, and we keep the batter for aside for some time. Okay, coming back here for the ingredients for this amritsari fish and amritsari paneer, I have taken a dechi. In that I am going to put besan. This is the besan what we are going to make for the use for the batter. In this I am going to add ajwain. As I told you, when you are making something with besan, always remember that garam masala powder, red chili powder. I am going to use red chili powder. People use red color, that is tandoori red color, which we are against and we are not going to use that. It is banned. Ginger garlic paste, salt, a pinch of soda bicarb, and why I am showing you this is I am going to break the egg separately in a bowl and then I am going to add it. I'll tell you the reason why. If the egg is bad and if I directly break in the batter, what happens is if the egg is bad, I'll have to throw the entire thing away. So that is the reason. Put the egg in a bowl, check it, and then start. I have not added salt. I will be adding salt after the water is added. So I am going to add the water and make a batter. Make a smooth batter and a thick batter. Whatever red color we'll get will be because of the red chili powder. I'll be putting the salt. The reason is because when you put the salt, when the batter is made, it is easy for you to taste. Otherwise, if I put the salt before, it is difficult for me to taste. Little. I can put little kothimbir in the batter itself. Some people even put pudina in the amritsari, but it is optional. So our batter is ready. Now we will be going and frying the fish. Okay. So first I am going to fry the paneer. Dip the paneer and put it in the hot oil. Similar way we are going to fry the fish. We are going to turn the paneer. See, it will not get a red color because I have not added red color, tandoori red color. What? It will be like yellowish in color, but if you eat outside or if you order from outside, you will always have that red color, bright red color, because of the color which has been added. similar way, I'm going to fry this fish after the paneer is done. Till the fish and till the paneer is getting fried and the fish will get done, we will start with the bharta. I'm putting the fat. We'll do this in a vanaspati. Let the fat melt. Now I am circulating this so that the fat melts from all the sides. Putting some jeera, and the jeera crackles. Adding all the chopped onions. That is the reason you should have everything ready with whatever you require, so that the cooking is easy. You don't have to run around and chop chilies. Run around everywhere. Now I am going to saute the onions for a little while. You don't have to brown the onions in this. Adding the potatoes. And the salt. Lightly mix it. You are not going to put any turmeric in this. The potato itself has got beautiful color, as I had told you when we did the cabbage bhujia. When this gets nicely mixed, I am adding some lime juice. And coriander leaves. Mix it and switch off the flame. Our bharta is done. We will present the bharta. I like very simple garnishes. The garnish should be so simple that this is the presentation of bharta. Now I will be showing you paneer amritsari. On this I am going to put, usually this is the way it is garnished, roundels of onions, lime and mint. This is the way the paneer is present. Now we will start with the presentation of fish. This is the way how we are going to present the machli amritsari. With a simple garnish of onion roundels, lemon wedges and mint. this way we are going to present the vegetarian substitute as I told you, that is the paneer amritsari, this is the machli amritsari, and this is the aloo bharta.